Good day. In this video, we are going to learn how to calculate faster than a calculator. This is 5 easy mental squaring tricks. So without further ado, let's do this. Trick number 1, squaring in the teens or the tens. Okay, so we have 14 squared and 18 squared. The trick is as follows. Okay, so what you do, you take the two number 14 and then you go into add the second number. So 14 plus 4 is going to be 18. Okay, next step, you are going to square 4. When you square 4, you get 16. So what you do, you're going to add 6 and carry up 1. So when you add up the number 1, and then this will be 1 plus 8 become 196, and that's the answer. Similarly, 18 squared, you take 18 plus 8, 18 plus the second number 8, so that will give us 26. Okay. Next step, we are going to square 8. 8 squared is 64. You write 4 and carry up 6. And then you're going to add them up in column 2. 4 remains, okay? 6 plus 6 is 12, carry up 1, and the answer is 324. Cool, isn't it? Okay, great. Now we are doing the squaring in the 50s, okay? So, for example, we have 54 squared and 59 squared. This is easier still, okay? So, what you do, you're going to take 5 squared. 5 squared is 25 plus 4, that will give us 29, okay? And then the second step, you just take 4 squared is 16, and that is the answer. So, 54 squared is 2,916. How about 59 squared? Okay, so 5 squared is 25. 25 plus 9 is going to be 34. And then you just take 9 squared, it gives us 81. And the answer is 3,481. Let's go on now in the trick number 3. Trick number 3 is squaring in the 90s. Okay, so we shall look at it. So we have two questions there. The first one is squaring of 93, and second one is the squaring of 96. So this trick is slightly different. So what you do, to get to 100, you need to add 7. Okay, and the first step you take is 93 minus 7, and that will give us 86. Okay, and then you take 7 squared is going to be 49. So the answer is 8,649. How about B, 96 squared? Again, to get 100, you add 4, and then you just take 96 minus 4, that will give us 92. And then you take 4 squared is 16, and the answer is 9,216. Cool, isn't it? Okay, now we are going to do trick number 4. Trick number 4 is squaring two 3-digit number with 0 in the middle. Okay, this trick is quite cool because it's 3-digit number. So what you do, you square 3 will give you 9. You square 5 will give us 25. And the middle two number is just found by take the 2 here. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times 5 is 30. So the answer is going to be 93,025. So similarly, for 408 square, what you do is that you are going to square 4, it's going to be 16. Square 8 is 64. And the middle number is found by 2 times 4 times 8. 2 times 4 is 8. 8 times 8 is 64. And the answer is 166,464. Okay, last but not least, what happens if all doesn't work? And it's not in the 10, not in the 50s, and not in the 90s. So you are going to square any 2-digit number. So to do that, we are going to do this trick, okay? So 47 squared as well as 73 squared. So to do that, you need to multiply 47 squared first. 4 squared is going to be 16. And then 7 squared is 49. Just like before, you're going to multiply 2 times 4 times 7. 2 times 4 is 8. 8 times 7 is 56. You're going to put in the middle there, 56, and add a 0 there. Then you're going to add the two numbers. So you're going to draw a line there. 9 plus 0 is 9. 4 plus 6 is 10. Carry up 1. 6 plus 5 is 11, plus 1 is 12, carry up 1, and the answer is 2,209. And how about 73 squared? The same thing. You're going to square 7, which gives us 49. Square 3, remember 3 must have a 2-digit number, so 09. And then you are going to multiply 2 times 7 times 3. 2 times 7 is 14. 14 times 3 is 42. So you're going to put in the middle 4, 2, and add a 0. Then you're going to add the two numbers. 9 plus 0 is 9. 0 plus 2 is 2. 9 plus 4 is 13. Carry up 1. And the answer is 5,329. So these are the 4 squaring tricks which I find very useful. Learn it so that you do not need a calculator in exam. So I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day, everyone.